today is gonna be a chill day. I'm not doing anything. I am doing laundry right now because it is laundry day, so there's that at least. But I started my period yesterday, which I didn't mention, but that did happen. And so all of that and not getting to bed until almost 3 a.m. because I couldn't get my shit edited and uploaded until that time. Like, it took me so long. All my shit is so old, so understandable, but like, I was hoping I could edit it all on my phone. That was ambitious of me. But yeah, we did it. We got Vlogmas Day 1 uploaded, and we're doing Vlogmas Day 2, so we are here. We're getting it. I really just, like, I didn't really explain why I'm doing Vlogmas, like, out of fucking nowhere. There's one video on my channel, and it's a part 1 of, like, fucking 5 parts, and I didn't finish it. Because, if I'm being honest, I lost storage on my phone, so I had to put the video somewhere else, and then I was just, like, too unmotivated to get it all together and put it back out. And there's, like, one comment on that video, and it's like, where did the rest of, like, what happened? And I'm like, So yeah, I might put those out too, eventually, because I do still have the videos. I just don't have them edited. I have to edit them and do all that shit. So I'm hoping that this will help me kind of get into a groove and, like, really find the easiest and fastest ways to get what I want done, so that then maybe I'll be motivated to do it more with the videos I have from the past and edit those and upload them finally, and also shit I do in the future. So that's kind of my plan with doing Vlogmas. And also, I've always wanted to vlog and just, like, put shit on YouTube, because, like, then it's, like, free storage. I don't have to store those videos somewhere else. But it's like a video diary of my life, and I can go back and watch it and be like, oh my god, that's what I was going through during that time of my life. I remember that. I miss that. I don't miss that. Like I learned from that. Holy shit, you know, like, and I just think that's such a beautiful thing, and so I've always wanted to do it, but I've never fully followed through. So I'm really hoping that this is my push. The laundry is going. I'm just gonna get cozy and watch my favorite show right now. My favorite show right now is 911. They came out with a new season recently, but I decided to rewatch it recently. And so I'm finally getting to the new season now, and I'm really excited. Feeling so incredibly unmotivated to do literally anything, but I need to do the 10 job applications, which I totally forgot was 10 until I literally just said that. I was under the impression that it was still 5, but that's okay. We got this. I have a few that I want to apply to anyway, and we have the help of ChatGPT, so we can do this. It'll be okay. What I want to do right now, I think I did take a break from watching my show. I'm 16 minutes into the episode and there's 27 minutes left, but I'm feeling so tired, and if I take a nap, the thing about me is it's not a nap, it's a slumber. Because I cannot nap for any less than 4 hours at a time, which is crazy. So I try not to nap anymore, because if I am awoken before the 4 hours, then I'm grouchy. And if I get the full 4 hours, then typically I'm like in this like weird, like, you know, like what day is it kind of state. And like I usually don't feel very good either. So I don't want that. So instead I think I'm gonna go for a walk by myself, because I want to just listen to music. Either the Wicked soundtrack or just all of Ariana Grande's discography, period, because she is everything. She is God. God is a woman, and that is her. So I'm gonna get dressed and put some sunscreen on. I probably should have already with the sun beaming through, but yeah, I'm like not even gonna get ready. I'm literally just gonna get dressed and go for this walk. Okay, this is the fit for going on a walk. It's 45 degrees, and sadly I am a woman, so I can only have one AirPod in and can't just completely drown out the world, because that is scary and dangerous. And we don't do that, because there are scary and dangerous people out there. So it's okay. I mean, sometimes when I go on walks with my partner, I have both of them in, but I also enjoy just like spending time with my partner on the walk and like not just drowning them out, you know? So let's go. Did I forget to take any videos while I went out on my walk? Yes. But I was just being super present, enjoying the time. I went on a super short walk, nothing crazy. Felt good. I feel good. Yay. Genuinely, Luna and I have just been laying here. Hi, my baby. Are you so sweetie? Are you just my sleepiest girl? I got lip stuff on. I don't want to get it all over you. Now I gotta do the rest of the laundry. But she's been snuggling with me. I don't want to get up. She's just so cute. You're just so cute as a baby. Guess who is currently talking herself out of applying for jobs again today, like I said I would. But let me explain. My resume has been formatted so horribly for so long that it like doesn't upload into shit properly, and it like, and I have to end up fixing so much shit whenever I upload it. But then like it's easier to just upload it and fix it than it is to just paste it all. So I'm fixing the formatting of my resume and getting all the basics down and having just like one big block basic resume, and then I'll tailor that, rearrange experience depending on what job I am applying for. So tomorrow I'll do 10 jobs, not 15, but I think this is important, and I'm happy that it's getting done. So when Dalton and I first moved in here, we immediately did a load of laundry with our brand new sheets and quilt, and our dryer burnt them immediately out the gate. So we only do our sheets at laundromats now. Okay. My pretty baby. Thank you.